Hi guys, good morning. My name is Dion Greg Reyes and I'm an agent and unit manager here at AIA Philippines, formerly known as L.I.F E. And today I am about to share with you this traditional term insurance we call as active joint critical protect. But before that, I'd like to reintroduce myself as a life planner. No, hindi na kami basta-basta insurance agent lang or financial advisor lang. No, kasi right now, AA Philippines rebranded us, mga agents and advisors, to life planners. No, bakit naman ganun? No, bakit ganun naging positioning namin? Well, because we not only give advice about finances, and we're not just merely offering insurance. We're already planning for your future or for your life in the future. And part of that planning for your life is yung manage ng risks natin, which can be summarized into SAD, or things that make us sad. Now, number one dyan is sickness. Number two, letter A, is accident. And the letter D, the last one, is untimely death. No, yun yung risks na minamanage natin. Mga bagay na ayaw naman talaga natin mangyari, pero pwedeng mangyari sa atin. No? And that will change the course of our lives forever. No? And I'm here to share with you paano nga ba makakatulong sa'yo si Active Joint Critical Protect. Alright, let's dig in. No, ano bang meron dito sa product na ito? Alright, the first thing to know about Active Joint Critical Protect is that there will be two insured. Dalawa yung insured natin dito, something na hindi common sa mga life insurance policies or plans in the Philippines. So dito dalawa ang covered. No, in this case, we named them Badong and si Inday, which are both Bisaya names. So if you haven't shared already, I'm an Ilonggo, and my dog's name is Badong. I have a tita named Inday, so yun yung pinangalanan ko muna for now. But this was an actual quote requested sa akin with the birthdays and the occupation. Pinalitan ko lang yung pangalan. So in the case of Badong and Inday, Badong is born on November 21, 1998, an office employee. Si Inday, June 16, 2001, also an office employee. So they're on the relatively younger side, medyo bata-bata pa. No, so this code for Active Joint Critical Protect assumes that wala namang personal history of illness. No, meaning walang, siguro ubo, sipon, okay lang. But yung tipong nagkaroon ng asthma, especially in recent years, nagkaroon ng, ano pa ba normally, appendicitis, lahat, if wala namang ganong history, or ng sakit, na kagaya especially malalala, yun ang assumption dito. And also not overweight because illnesses and weight can affect the premiums. Now, that's why ganun ang assumptions natin. Meaning they're regular naman yung magiging premiums. Yun ang impact kasi if you have an illness and if you're overweight, may impact yan sa premiums or yung babayaran ninyo for your insurance. And lastly, wala ring risky occupation. So in this case, they are office employees. Ibig sabihin, nasa opisina lang. So the risk yung trabaho nila is very low risk, unlike for example, if hindi ko pa rin nakwento before, I was a civil engineer, so if I'm someone na madalas nasa labas field, 'di ba, so mas mataas yung risk ko, especially in terms of accident. So yung accident coverage ko ay may rating or mas mataas dahil sa aking risky occupation. But in this case, again, the assumption here is that the occupation is an office, both are office employees. And both are ay married, married itong si Badong tsaka si Inday. Now, so let's go to the Active Joint Critical Protect. So ano bang goal nito na Active Joint Critical Protect? It is a life insurance with critical illness coverage. By the way, this is not yet the final proposal, but more of a summary to get an overview about what Active Joint Critical Protect is. So as said here sa remarks, dalawa ang insured but only one may claim. Whoever gets diagnosed with a critical illness or encounters untimely or sudden death. So between Badong and Inday, for example, knock on wood, si Badong, he encountered or he suffered from one of the 10 critical illnesses covered, for example, stage 3 cancer. Let's just say colon cancer, for the sake of example. So, mangyari niyan, pag na-pay out na yung benefit, no, which is the face amount or the critical illness coverage, Inday will no longer be having a coverage na. Kasi whoever gets diagnosed or encounters sudden death first. So, yun, no? So, it's covered ang dalawa, pero isa lang yung makakapag-claim. To put it simply, yun yung pinakasimpleng explanation doon. Dalawa ang covered, isa lang makaka-claim. So the nature of this active joint critical protect is renewable term insurance. Term insurance, ito yung pinagkaiba niya sa VUL. No? VUL, if you've heard it probably no, by now, you're here because sabi na, ay, ayoko ng VUL, ayoko ng ma-investment. Marunong ako mag-invest. Nag-invest ako sa stock, sa crypto, sa co-op, okay, MP2, which are also recommended, no? Sige, kayo na lang mag-invest. Wala namang problema doon. If you are that kind of person who does his or her investing on his or her own, this insurance plan is for you. Active Joint Critical Protect. Kasi term insurance very straightforward lang. No, you pay for a specific term and covered for a specific term din. So in our case, no, you're covered for 10 years and you can renew it every 10 years until mayroong magiging age 65 dun sa dalawa, either kay Badong or Inday for this example. No? So dito kasi medyo bata-bata pa si Badong and Inday, so kung sino ang mauna sa kanila na mag-age 65, hindi na siya ma-renew no, after that. Okay? So, for active joint critical protect, no, again, that's 10 years, renewable term. For renewability pala, no need for proof of insurability upon renewal. Automatic renewal siya. No, but the premiums upon renewal will increase depending on the age after 10 years. Sa assumption, no, hindi ko lang na-check yung birthday kanina ni Badong and ni Inday. For example, ako, I'm 30 years old and nag-renew, kinuha ko to, nag-renew ako by 40 years old. So yung premiums ngayon would be for the age of 40 years old na. But no need na for me to present or nag-develop na ako ng minor illnesses na hindi na cover. No, automatic renewal siya. It won't matter kasi nakapag-apply ka na early on. 'Di ba? So very important din i-mention ko na lang din that once meron ng illness, may mga sakit na, may history, you will have a tendency na magiging result ng application mo either number one, it will be declined outright. Meaning, ay, bawal ka na ma'am kasi or sir, kasi or kayong dalawa, no, bawal na kayo kasi meron na kayong history ng cancer, for example. But for cancer naman, no, need at least 10 years. 10 years na remission na. Meaning, wala na talagang traces of cancer sa inyong katawan no, for 10 years. Maybe we could apply pa. But the general rule here is 10 years. No? And then, ayun, na-decline. Kasi nga meron ng mataas na yung risk, bale, na masyado mataas na yung risk. It could be postponed, especially for those na overweight, meaning papayat ka muna. Sige, i-postpone muna natin no, after 6 months, for example. Or for example, masyadong elevated yung sugar mo ngayon, no, based on the medical exam. Tapos tingnan natin if mag-develop siya to diabetes. Or kung hindi naman, parang nag-spike lang talaga siya, no? So, possible na ma-postpone lang siya. Meaning, you could still apply. Hintayin lang natin yung oras. No? It's about the right timing. Decline, postponed, rated. Rated, ibig sabihin mas mahal yung premiums mo than the regular kasi meron some sort of risk sa'yo. So, for example, meron kang history ng asthma no, in the past, pero hindi naman siya malalang asthma na tipong inatake ka lang tapos you manage it well naman no, so the result of your policy application, it could be, no, I'm not saying it will be guaranteed, but it could be na pwedeng rated or mas mahal ng kaunti. So for example, dapat yung premiums mo ay 10K per year lang. It could be, no, it's possible that tumaas siya ng 12,500, 15,000, depending on the rating that will be given to you. So rating A, B, C, D. I think depending din sa coverage eh. So yun, na may rating siya. So last is approved. Siyempre ma-approve no. Yun ang mga natin ways of results natin in terms of applying for an insurance plan. Declined, postponed, rated, approved. Yun lang, no? Yun lang yung magiging possible na result. So going back, no, dito 10 years renewable, no, upon after 10 years, pwede kang automatic renewal siya, no need to apply or to need to submit requirements in terms of your health nor sa medical. Yun siya. For active joint critical protect, the minimum amount of insurance coverage is at 500,000 pesos. No, sabi kasi ni Inday sa akin, oy, what if Dion, magkano ba yung minimum na coverage? Sige, okay, 500,000 po. No, it will be paid out once any of the insured will die a sudden death or untimely death na hindi natin na-expect. No, so that's 500,000. Dito naman on the other column, that's 1 million. No, kasi 500,000 may not be enough. Sa isip ko lang. Sabi ko, Ma'am, Inday, what if gawin natin 1 million? Kung kaya naman ng budget, taasan mo na ng kaunti. No, double the coverage kasi, di ba, if ever time comes, kung may maiwan ka, meron ng taong financially dependent sa'yo, no, so itong 1 million would be of great help na sa kanila in case of untimely death. Yan. So, next, so after the life insurance is critical illness coverage. No, yung covered natin na na mga illnesses would be heart attack, stroke, cancer, end-stage lung disease, coronary artery bypass, cardiomyopathy, heart valve replacement, primary pulmonary arterial hypertension, kidney disease, and total and permanent disability due to critical illness. 10 po yan, no? If na-miss ako, just let me know sa comments, no? Pero I think nalista ko dyan, sa summary, yung 10. Baka kasi magtanong pa kayo, ano yung covered na illness dyan, Dion? No? Sa Active Joint Critical Protect. Only 10. Not 10, pero who knows, di ba, mangyari na ikaw may suffer ng heart attack or stroke. No? So these critical illnesses have their respective definitions, no? And for you to be able to claim with Active Joint Critical Protect, dapat mag-match yung medical abstract dun sa contract na critical illness na coverage natin. Kasi it might be at least to manage expectations, di ba? Pero if ever naman na like hindi eksakto what I can do as your agent or your planner, di ba? Ipaglaban natin. Pwede ba natin i-reconsider? Na kasi kakampi tayo, di ba, in terms of claims. Yan. So, life insurance critical illness, very straightforward lang, no? 10 critical illnesses. And we have here also a accidental death benefit that is optional. Optional siya, no, which will be received by the beneficiaries as an additional benefit in case the accident or the death is due to an accident. No, yun siya. No, very straightforward din. No? If in case nawala si Badong or si Inday, either one of them, mapipay out yung accidental death benefit on top of the life insurance if the death is due to accident. Yan. For the premiums, eto na baka inaabangan niyo na to, no? For the 1 million na life insurance, critical illness and accidental death benefit, the annual premium lang natin is 12,730. That's just around 1,000 plus equivalent niya monthly, no? So yun, 12,730 lang. If semi-annual, 6,600. So if you multiply 6,600 times 2, mas mahal siya ng kaunti versus if you pay on an annual basis. 'Di ba? And what if 500,000 lang, I'll go for the minimum, Dion. Ito yun lang yung kaya ko. Ito lang yung gusto ko for now. Kumbaga, ito lang muna, at least meron ako, 'di ba, ng aking asawa. So 7,765 pesos lang. At least have for these para kay Badong and Inday whose birthdays are 1998 and 2001. Premiums will increase will vary depending on your birthdays, your work, and your occupation. Yun lang naman hinihingi kong information eh. Name, birthday, occupation, no, for you to get a quote, no. So if you'd like a quote as well, drop them in the comments or drop them sa aking email pala, no, para medyo private naman yung inyong information. So yun, no, cheaper if annual. For this case lang, no, it's semi-annual and annual lang yung option natin. But if you have an example, umabot ng 40K yung annual mo, most probably could go for monthly. No, and you can pay via online banking, bills payment in malls, GCash, Maya, daming options. Na yun. And of course, this comes with AIA Vitality. No, ano po tong AIA Vitality, Dion? No, ano bang meron dito? So to be straightforward about it, no, it's a health and wellness program that gives you cash incentives, coverage boost, and merchant discounts. So cash incentives, number one muna, no, if you have a physical activity now that is monitored by a tracker, for example, you have Strava, Samsung Health, Apple Health, Fitbit, Garmin, Polar, those devices na nagme-measure ng iyong physical activities, i-prepare mo yon, yung tracker mo na yon sa Vitality, and once ma-meet mo yung weekly na mga targets na siniset sa iyo ni Vitality, you will receive cash incentive currently at 100 pesos per week or 400 pesos possible no in a month. 'Di ba? So, pwede na, no? If ever, every week ka nag-meet on physical activities and nami-meet mo yung target ni Vitality, no? 400 pesos easy money. No? Healthy ka na, may pera ka pa. 'Di ba? Thank you, A Vitality. Kaya ako naman, no? Sipag na sipag ako, at least for the past few weeks, I was able to join a 10-kilometer run, kasama yung training ko doon. So automatic, ang bilis, 100 pesos, GCash pumasok sa akin. Pang Lazada ko rin yun. Di ba? So sayang yung 100, no? Yun yung way ko to gather some cash sa mga luho ko sa Lazada. So in my case, no, in 2021, yun yung peak ko kasi sa Vitality. No? I was able to accumulate in a year more than 3,000 pesos. So not bad. Not bad for Vitality. No? This is a unique program of AA Philippines that rewards you for being healthy. That's the nature of AIA Vitality. Napakasimple lang. No? That's only number one. Cash incentives pa lang yon. Sa coverage boost, upfront, no, you will get 20% boost on your coverage. So yung 1 million mo na yan on your first year, actually, hindi lang 1 million yan. If ever the critical illness or the death, the untimely death happened during the first year, 1.2 million ang talaga ang coverage mo dyan, hindi lang 1 million. So it's up to you to increase that to up to 50% yung maximum natin or maging 1.5 million, di ba? If you have accumulated enough points no to reach the annual target for the AA Vitality status. Kasi may status yan eh. Bronze, silver, gold, and platinum. So you'll start with bronze with certain points no, that you will accumulate to reach silver. Kasi you will start with bronze eh. Bronze, silver, gold, and platinum. So pag umabot ka na sa platinum, magiging 50% na yung coverage boost mo or magiging 1.5 million na yung claim mo in case of sudden death or untimely death or critical illness. Diba? Ang saya! May Vitality, may pa-cash incentive, may pa-coverage boost, meron pang merchant discount. Ito yung merchant discount naman, napakasaya din. Kasi recently, no, I'm into badminton kasi. Naglalaro po ako ng badminton. Bumili ako ng bagong raketa sa Toby Sports, which is one of our partner merchants. No? And naka-discount ako ng, I think, if I'm not mistaken, 600 or 800 pesos. Kasi the racket is around 3,000 plus. So yun ang discount na nakuha ko. So sobrang natuwa ako kasi ang laking savings doon. 'Di ba? And get this, no? AA Vitality is packaged already with your policy. Nakapackage na siya dito, kasali na siya. But if ihiwalay natin, no, this is only give you a good time to guess no magkano kaya yan. Diyon magkano kaya yung Vitality no per year or per month. Okay? So what do you think? Sige, i-reveal ko na, no? Pwede nyo i-pause, di ba? So, i-reveal ko na. Vitality is only 100 pesos per month or 1,200 per year, di ba? Sobrang mura na nun. So, imagine if 400 per month kasi out of the 100 pesos per week. In just 3 months, na sunod-sunod na pag physical activities mo, mababawi mo na yung binayad mo sa Vitality and possible, makaka-savings ka pa for your future premiums. No? So ako, I'm a Vitality user. I'd like to share more no, regarding Vitality. Paano nagwo-work yung tracker? No? We can talk about that in separate discussion. Alright? So yan lang. Yun lang naman, very straightforward. This is Active Joint Critical Protect. No, again, this covers 2 persons, only one may claim. Meron tayong life insurance, at least 500,000 pesos critical illness na covers 10, no, critical illnesses. Tapos may optional na accidental death benefit. And imagine the premium, super mura lang, no? Hindi nga umabot ng 20 mil. 'Di ba? So if you have your bonus, no Christmas bonus na 13th month pay, no, at least for this season for those watching, no, this December 2023, ito na. This is the plan for you. It's about time you get insured with a renewable term insurance called Active Joint Critical Protect. And that's it, guys. No, I'm happy to share with you anong meron sa Active Joint Critical Protect. No, I've said already the highlights. No, if you have further questions, feel free to email me here sa aking official AA email. No, and I will be responding there. No, or you can contact me on my Facebook profile that I will flash here. Kasi mas mabilis ako mag-reply via Messenger. If you have further questions, no, feel free to comment down sa ating video or approach me in my social media channels. Bye, guys!